How to fix Reddit sound problem easy and quick. Welcome guys. If you have sound problem on Reddit, I will show you how to fix it now. Let's do it. Open the settings of your phone, click at apps option and search for Reddit and click. As you can see here, you will see this list. Go to your storage option, click clear cache. And right now back, click on force stop here, click OK. And go to Play Store or App Store. Try to update your Reddit, and after updating Reddit, restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in this channel. See you in another video.